This is my review for the Spriak LED Disco Light. This is a very lightweight light. It does plug into a regular outlet. It comes with a remote, which is pretty nice because I've had a lot of lights that you had to change on and off, like on the back of the light. It's got a remote that you can use to go through all the modes. It's got 3 modes that you can use to music or sound, and then it has 7 modes that don't react to sound. And all of those 7 modes, you can change the speed, less or more. And I'm going to demonstrate the different modes here in just a moment. Now, I'm not sure what this DMX button on the remote does because I haven't been able to get it to do anything, but this is the power button. You can start and stop whatever light show you're in with this button right here. You've got your 3 music, your strobe flash basically, and then your 7 functions. Now I'm going to show you what each one of them do. Let me turn off my light here.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Fresh by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds always. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Gonna hit